Private landowners could face new penalties if they block access to public areas like trails in Anchorage.
Joe Allgood tells us supporters look forward to recreating without hassle, while property owners say the new law goes too far.
Well, they say that possession is 9/10 of the law, but sometimes that law can get a little bit foggy or tricky when you're dealing with private property as well as public. And that's exactly the intersect we find ourselves at with a new law in Anchorage that prevents private property owners from obstructing rights-of-way in the municipality.
If you own any property anywhere near a state park, a municipal park, public land, for that matter, I would even go as far as to say you have a section line easement on your parcel. You are subject to the same ordinance.
Brandy Pennington owns land along the Stewart Trail easement on Anchorage's hillside. The land also backs up to Chugach State Park. She said she wants to make her land a public use campground, but officials told her she couldn't profit from park visitors.
I offered to make it public, and I've been trying to make it public through the appropriate legal channels with the municipality. And I find it interesting that a lot of the people who are screaming the loudest are the ones that are trying to block me from making the parcel that my family owns public.
Brandy said the contentious gate is nearly 40 years old. It blocks prohibited vehicle traffic, but pedestrian access is open. Still, tensions sometimes run high.
I've been called a lot of four-letter words and just, that I'm greedy and that all the people back here are greedy, but I don't understand, because here's the deal. We're not taking away something that will belong to the public to begin with.
Trail advocates support the new law, saying it protects public access for all.
Sometimes, you get a new landowner in an area who maybe doesn't realize that a prescriptive easement is on their property or adjacent to their property. So I think sometimes we get landowners who, they're not being bad actors. They just legitimately think maybe people are trespassing and don't know that that's there.
Both agreeing better signage from the Muni would help everyone.
So that a hiker doesn't have to guess if they're on it or not. Like, we need to be giving them an indication that they're doing something that's legal and allowed.
Well, with the new ordinance, the municipality can now charge fines for those who obstruct the rights of way. Brandy says she's not aware of any for the Stewart Trail here because, well, for pedestrians, you can access the easement. Joe Allgood, Alaska's news source.